Hello children, good morning.
Good morning.
How are everyone? Are you all okay? Yes, okay, fine. So we are going to do the revision once again. So be prepared for that. All keep your books ready and let's start. Let us start? Okay, fine. Now here we are going to fill in the blanks. We are going to do the fill in the blanks. Now we just write here. Write it in your book. Fill. Write down fill. Write all of you. Fill. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now what is blank? What is blank? Can you tell me what is blank? A line which is got nothing written on it. This is a blank. This is a blank space. Okay. So we are going to fill in there. Right? Now the first one. Now write here 1 dash am Rita. R-I-T-A Rita and full stop. Here, look here I have used capital letter. Here I have used capital letter. Why did I use capital letter here? Because it is a proper noun. So, here what is the missing letter here? Missing. Yes, you got to fill in here with I. I am Rita. Write down. I am Rita. Yes. With am, what comes with am? I. I comes with am. Okay. Next one. Second one. Dash is a monkey. Dash is a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now, what is the... Yes, what do you write here? Dash is a monkey. For monkey, what is the pronoun you use here? It. Yes, you write here. It is a monkey. Now, beginning of a sentence, you write capital I. It is a monkey. Because it is an animal, you are using it here. Right? Okay. Third one. Raju is my friend. Raju is my friend. Raju is my friend. Full stop. Now, whom are we talking about here? Whom are we talking about? Yes, we are talking about Raju. Now, what naming word is this? It is male naming word. So, what do we use for Raju? Yes, we use he. He is a singer. Dash is a singer. S-I-N-G-E-R. Singer. Dash is a singer. You will write here. He is a singer. What do you write? He is a singer. Okay. Now, fourth one. Mary. M-A-R-Y. Mary. Now, what kind of naming word is this?
She.
Yes, this is a female naming word. This is a female naming word. So, what do you use for female naming word? No. What do we use for female naming word? What is the pronoun you use for female naming word? For female naming word, we use she. Exactly, we use she. For female naming word, we use, say strongly, we use she. Yes. For male naming word, he. For animals, birds and things, what we, yes, very good, very good. So, we wrote here Mary is a good girl. Mary is a good girl. Mary is a good girl, full stop. Dash is my neighbor. So what do you write there? Dash is my, what do you write? Yes, you write She, capital S here. She is my neighbor. She is my neighbor. Mary is a female naming word. So we wrote here she. And here Raju is a male naming word. So we used here he. And here it is we are talking about the monkey. That is why we used here it. Okay. Now we are going to listen. Now we are going to fill in with articles. What are articles? What are articles? A and the. What are articles? A and the. You are not forgetting. You must remember all what you learned. What are articles? A and the. Now you please write here A. First write down A, comma, and, comma, the. And in the bracket you write articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. Please copy that. Articles. I. Write down. It's on the board. You can't see it over. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. It's clearly written here now. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Yes, write it there. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. Now, what are articles? A and the. What are articles? A and the. So, you have to use this and fill in the blanks. You have to use articles and fill in the blanks. Okay. First one. My father is dash doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. 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 My father is dash doctor. What do you have to write there? Yes, you have to write in. What is the article you need to write there? What is the article you need to write here? A. Yes, you need to write here A. Second one. I saw dash crawling. I saw dash and crawling on my hand. Now look here. I saw dash and crawling on my hand. I saw dash. What do you have to write? Yes, because the word is a vowel word. Vowel sound. Yes, vowel sound it is. And. So you write there and. This is how you fill in with articles. Next one. The dash moon is shining brightly. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. H-T-L-Y. Brightly. Now, here I use, you won't say a moon because it's a unique thing. It is only one. So, when there is only one in the whole universe, you use that as the moon. You don't say a moon. Okay, you say the moon. So, you use the article the here. Okay, because you know there is only one moon, one sun, isn't it? So, there you use the moon is shining brightly. So this is the model of the question. You have to learn this, and of course you need to learn your question answers. So we just go through the question answers. What is Hina dreaming about? What is Hina dreaming about? Hina is dreaming about a what is it? Dreaming, not dreaming. Dreaming about a rainbow. How do you spell rainbow? R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. 1 minute. Now, is Hina happy? Is Hina happy? Yes, she's happy because now she's got a lot of colors to paint, isn't it? What are the colors that Hina uses to paint the flowers? Hina used what all colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red, yellow, after green, yellow, orange and red. Let's repeat the colors what Hina used to paint. Can you repeat it? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are the colors Hina used for, what is it? Hina used to paint the rainbow. So, dear children, please revise and learn all the questions, not questions, the model which is given to you. And this is the model it's going to be. Learn the rhyming word, then articles, and fill in with the correct words using is and are, and learn the question answers, learn the poem on rabbit. Okay, alright, see you.